Hey, how you doing? Austin here. I've got an interesting situation developing for you. I wasn't expecting to do another Dogecoin video today. Did one this morning. We were up about 10+% this morning. I firmly believe that it was in direct relation to the overall market going up and everything like that. Well, I've continued to watch Doge move up the rest of the day, and I've been looking for and trying to figure out why. And I think I may have found that. So we're going to look in that, and we're going to get into that. I want to know, after you see what I've got to show you, do you think that this is the reason that Dogecoin is moving up? Has moved up another 7 to 8, 9, 10+%, 24. Yeah. So basically, picked up another 8 or 9% off of what I'm about to show you. Okay. As always, this video is for entertainment purposes only, and I have to talk to you real quickly about my Patreon level, Inner Circle level. You can click on the link below. Hey, by the way, you can join and cancel at any time, okay? Also, when you get over there, there's a show more link right here that if you click on it, it'll actually show you, and you can see everything you see here. You get access to my portfolio, you get access to buy and sell trade alerts, as well as a weekly hot crypto tip newsletter, keeping you updated with everything and looking to where moves I'm looking to move, things like that. You get access to a lot of content I do not share here on YouTube. So if that's of interest to you, click on the links in the description, comment below. Okay, so again, as I mentioned, Dogecoin's moving up. It's moving up 17.64, so we're picking about another 7 or 8+%. And I wanted to show you this. This is a really beautiful thing. I wanted to point out also, look at the length of these candles, and look at how much is going on here, okay? Compared to this, we are absolutely in some new waters here, okay, which is really, really cool. I wanted to show you that, how long these candlesticks are, how long these wicks are. We're getting a really, really nice situation developing here. And look, the overall volume, look at this. This is insane. The volume is up 314%. 314%. We're now at a $31 billion market cap. Really cool. All right. So here is what I think is happening. Again, comment below. Let me know what your thoughts are. Do you think this is the reason that Dogecoin is moving up? So Twitter CEO Jack Dorsey throws Dogecoin community into a frenzy with cryptic tweet. Okay? Bear with me. There's some interesting stuff here. Okay, right here. So CEO Jack Dorsey sent out a cryptic tweet Thursday, which caught the attention of Dogecoin community. Okay? But again, this is just now kind of being reported. So do you think that this is it? I don't really think this is it. I think, and I'm asking you, I'm genuinely looking at you because I've looked, and this is the only thing that was kind of newsworthy. This article just came out August 7th, okay? But the event happened a couple of days ago. So is this some kind of a delayed effect or something like this? Again, I firmly believe that a certain percentage of this is related to, again, I'm sorry, I had to backtrack, is related to Bitcoin and Ethereum moving up. But I'm asking you to comment below if you think this has something to do with it. So on August 5th, Jack Dorsey tweeted out, wow. Then Greg, now a legendary meme Twitter handle within the Dogecoin community, replied with his own version, while one commenter noted the depth of the conversation. So replying to Jack, he said, this is the commentary we come here for. Okay. Meanwhile, Tesla, obviously Tesla founder Elon Musk responded with his own strange tweet that may have meant he wanted to engage with Dorsey via direct message on Twitter. Again, there was Jack's official tweet. DM Twitter. Doge traded unchanged at 20 cents at press time. The Shiba Inu themed crypto was down for the week. Okay. But again, it's now bounced up. Okay, it's bounced up 19+%. I mean, we're moving up even more. It looks like where are we at? Right here. So 17.5, but this is showing me a little bit more. Okay, so this is showing me up 19. All right, but anyway, coming back over this. Okay, why it matters. Dorsey's latest tweets touched on the Whitten's Loomis Toomey Amendment. This is the whole infrastructure bill here in the United States, where the government's trying to basically add in where crypto profits are going to be taxed. Okay, which aims to add clarity on the infrastructure bill under debate in the Senate. The CEO Jack Dorsey also touched on a non-custodial wallet that Square wants to build and asked his following to help in those efforts. The wow could have been a reference to any of these earlier tweets in Dogecoin parlance. Wow is also used with a modifier to make memes. It could be an insinuation to that practice. Examples include such speed, much wow, such popularity, much wow, etc. Okay. As of press time, no further clarity was available. Do you think? I'm asking you. Do you think that maybe this discussion going back and forth between Elon and Jack? Remember they had the Bitcoin summit earlier. I think it was last month or so. Do you think that maybe kind of is something that we're kind of, it's leading up to that, or do you think this is all directly attributed to what I covered in my earlier video? Now we're up 18. My earlier video where Dogecoin is just being dragged up because of Bitcoin and Ethereum being dragged up, which, hey, by the way, not a bad thing, right? It's good stuff. It's all good. I'm happy about this. But I'm scratching my head. I've been watching this, guys, for about an hour to 2 hours, just kind of going, all right, it's moving up. It's moving up. It's doing well. And it's moving up really, really nicely, okay? And, I mean, it's outperforming Ethereum. And part of it was this massive increase in volume, okay? And guys, before I did the video, I looked for anything going on. I mean, the article I just showed you just was 4 hours ago. It's 4 hours old as of the recording of this video. So this is literally I resorted the news to see kind of if there was something new had come out. Okay, and it's breaking out of resistance, and maybe it's just kind of waking up, if you will. And I've been saying that earlier, quite a bit, but it's not. There's nothing else kind of going on. And I'm like, all right, maybe this could be it. But I think ultimately it might just be hey, you know what? We've got a nice run up going up from a Bitcoin and Ethereum. And we're just seeing kind of everything kind of fall into place there. And again, I want your input because obviously I own Dogecoin. I'm excited to see this. I love that this is going up. And this is really some cool news. But I'm kind of scratching my head here going, interesting. And I've never really come to you guys and said, hey, give me your opinion. Do you think it's this or that? And I really want to know what you guys think because, we're all part of the Doge army, so to speak. And what is the reason for the rise outside of, this, the Bitcoin and Ethereum starting to really begin their bull runs, right? I mean, you can see, look at this chart for Bitcoin, look at this chart for Ethereum, and look at the chart for Dogecoin. Even look at this. Look how the spike comes up right here. Let me move that down so you can see it. I apologize, I'm covering it. Okay, here's Dogecoin right here. See this chart right here? This is my cursor right here. Okay, see how this chart moves up, and then it moves up so dramatically, right? Now, look at the chart for Ethereum. See how it's just kind of it's a nice. Like this, whereas the chart for Dogecoin was like this. It goes straight up, right? And Bitcoin's kind of the same way. And I'm kind of going, this is a significant 24-hour move up that I'm really looking for the reason of what is going on because there's not any other catalyst. It's not like Elon come out and said, hey, here we go. You can now take Dogecoin to pay for a Tesla, right? That's not here. And so when I saw it move up 10% this morning, I'm like, okay, that's very much in line with expectations of it moving in lockstep with Bitcoin and Ethereum because they tend to drag up the entire market. But and at the time, that's what it was. This morning when I did my Dogecoin video, again, I wasn't expecting to do another Dogecoin video today, but I'm like, man, this is worth talking about because, I mean, look, we've got this just look at this chart. I mean, it just goes straight up, right? And whereas right here, it's just kind of going more of a nice angled up scenario. It's going up nice and nice. But this is like a freaking rocket taking off, okay? And I'm kind of trying to scratch my head, and I really genuinely care what you guys think. So what do you think it is? Drop in the comments below. Let's see if we can figure this out. As always, truly, thank you for your support of myself, my video, my channels. I see you. Bye.